Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get hint on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress, and if you are confused how to dress according to the theme, you can get hint. As you can see guys that my current theme is brand, so we need to dress according to this theme. If you want to get hint, you just need to click on the symbol. Okay, and here you'll be able to get hint from Dress to Impress, and you can dress according to the hint. It will be so useful if you do not familiar with the theme. You just need to go to the hint, and then you can dress according to it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get hint on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.